Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a wig review for you guys, and as you can see I already did my makeup just so I could speed the process up. I also have my hair ready for the wig because we're not here to waste no time. So the wig I'm gonna be reviewing today is from this company called Sit Pretty Hair. It is a headband wig, and of course I got some beautiful headbands to go with it. I got this blue one here, and I also got this black and white polka dot one, and this one came with a mask to match. So this is the wig. I'm just showing you guys real quick before I put it on my head what it looks like. So now I'm gonna try it on to see exactly what I need to do to it. You guys see me wear headband wigs all the time, but just in case this is your first time, the headband wig has this strap on it that I'm gonna use to secure it in the back, and that's gonna hold the hair onto my head. I look so awkward. That's because I'm wearing this off-the-shoulder top that just keeps sliding up every move I make, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it. Already I'm liking it, but as you can see it needs a little bit straightening, so I'm just gonna go over it with this flat iron and make it nice and sleek. And I guess that will be all before I add my headband and show it off to you guys. So this is the headband that I'm going to be wearing today with the wig. I really like the black and white polka dot, so that's the reason why I'm going for this one. And also, like I told you guys before, it came with a mask, and I really like that. So I just feel like they're going to look cute together. So definitely the reason why I went for this one. And I like it. I really like the length. I like how short it is and cute. So I don't know, I like it. It looks like something I would enjoy wearing in the summertime when it's really hot outside. Another thing about the length that makes me like it so much is because the fact that it's this short, it makes it look so natural, like it's my own hair. Because I'm thinking if I should straighten my hair, it would be about the length of this wig. So yeah, it looks so natural, like my own. It was very easy to install, as you guys can see, and it's a very cute everyday wig, which I think every girl, every woman should have one of these in their wig collection. This wig you could throw on every morning to go to work with no effort at all, or just to run to the store or something like that. So definitely go check out Sit Pretty Hair. You just may find something on their website that you like, and it comes with a mask too that match your headband. So girl, get yourself a wig and go look pretty. I'll leave all their information down in the description box below, so definitely go check that out. Anyway guys, if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!